All right, here we are, Labor Day weekend. We're heading to Longboat Key for a beach family vacation. We're loaded up with Dunkin' and Starbucks, and we got Mama Bear at the wheel. We've got autopilot, self-driving on. What do you say, guys? You ready to go?
We're super excited.
What are you guys gonna do?
The beach toys.
What are you gonna do first thing when we get there?
Beach toys.
But what about the beach toys? You guys gonna build castles?
Sam,
You guys have trucks?
I'm gonna dig holes I'm gonna dig like a super deep hole so we don't get any water getting rid of our sandcastle. Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
a moat. And Kingsley, are we gonna bury you first?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, Graham, what do you say?
Peace out, Southwest Florida.
Peace.
For an enjoyable in-car experience, we recommend iPads and headphones.
Where's the beach? Actually, I don't see the beach. I knew there was one bridge though that viewed the ocean. I mean, that could be, but that one, that could be, but that looks like, that doesn't look like sand. That looks like house.
Are you getting the water or just the sun? Or just the sky?
Well, I can do it with the 360. I can go the whole
I didn't
way
know if I
around.
could actually get down there.
Yeah.
We're 8 minutes away.
You guys will be digging in the sand in no time.
Why can we only go 25 on this road?
Look at all the shops, guys. Do you guys remember being here?
No.
You don't?
I did remember being. I remember being in the. But no, I don't. I remember being in the crane area, but I don't remember this. Oh, I remember as nothing. I just remember that I remember as the tree. I remember
Is
all
this
the.
thing still going the right way?
Mhm.
American flag is low. The American flag's very low.
It is?
Yeah. It's very
There's the
low.
candy shop.
I wonder why it's at half mast. Oh, because of the school shooting. Oh yeah, the candy shop.
This is the bridge. This is the bridge that goes up. This is the bridge that goes up if ships come.
That's right. Yeah, boy.
Oh, there's fishers.
We're
Look at-
almost here.
There's fishers in that boat. Yeah, everybody's fishing basically in this boat. I think I see a beach. Actually, no, that's just a little.
We're here. Jinx.
Jinx. Longboat Key.
LBK.
2 minutes away. Dude, somebody's roller skating with no shirt. 1 minute away.
Aren't you glad that's not your daddy? the
Jinx.
beach?
No, that's fine. We can just go through the lobby.
Go park over there?
Yes, spell it.
Hey, walkie, walkie, walkie. I forget it. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, hey, hey, waka, waka, ooh, ooh.
We're at the beach, bud, huh? All right, let's go. Yeah, let's go right through the lobby.
Yeah, open up.
Yeah, it's nice. There's Mommy and KK. Okay.
The room's ready, Mark.
Oh, it is?
Go get us chairs.
Yeah.
We can video later.
Okay. Come on, this way.
Bet you everyone who knows that your golf teacher goes crazy. They're like, hey, teach me golf lessons, teach me. And you're like, oh, you're gonna have to pay me. That's money to do that. I need a ton of money.
That's right.
Because well, I'm on a beach vacation when I smell cool.
Yeah. Nice pool, huh?
Yeah, nobody
So he's already big on cars when he started it.
Morning.
Never knew that fridge was hurt. You can even got a raft. Oh, here's the smell of the beach.
Yeah.
Sand kind of smells bad. Not gonna lie. Well, actually, it doesn't smell bad. The sand's not what I'm smelling. When I'm smelling, oh.
Here's a little quick walkthrough of our room at the Longboat Key Resort. We've got the pull-out couch for the kids. Nice area to get ready. A nice shower facility for everyone to use. And the best feature of the room, which the kids are already enjoying, a view of the pool and the beach and the Gulf of America.
Can we go to the beach?
There's Graham enjoying the view. Beautiful day. We're heading to the beach next.
Hot tub.
So we just got a visit from the staff at the Longboat Key Resort. We've stayed here roughly about a dozen times, and as a welcome back gift, they gave us
Wow.
this nice
how
bottle of wine,
nice.
a beautiful flower that Kingsley has in her hand,
She's
a
able
nice
to
little
eat it.
note saying welcome back, and some dark chocolates that we will definitely enjoy during our stay here at the Longboat Key Resort.
All of
Such
this
a
stuff.
nice note, just for a welcome back. I mean,
All of this stuff is definitely not. They never took this. They never gave it to us. This is all.
And guys, what do we say to the Longboat Key Resort?
Thank you.
Peace out.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can you hold this thing up so I can surf?
You don't stand on it, bud. You just, yeah, you just put your chest on it like Kingsley is. That's it.
I'm gonna go in there. Alright, big waves are coming down. Kinda nice out here.
Yeah, it is.
It's a little nice to have it overcast.
Yeah. For sure.
I'm sure by the time it's
Oh, big one!
Nobody wants to hold. You know what you're saying, you know?
The dump truck will have a machine that will take the stuff, put it in the dump truck, and get rid of the rocks, and then it takes all of the sand. I gotta dig up the hole for myself. Shoot. Wait, Kings, I got a better idea. What if you just dig a whole entire hole where this shaded part is? No, like a whole entire hole. Oh, I see.
Where'd KK go? Where'd she go?
Can you feel that? Yeah. Mommy, look at it.
She's buried. She's buried alive.
I put a flag on top of her.
Ready?
Whoa, there she is. All right.
Daddy, come on.
Little midday break for some lunch. Yeah, water's looking nice, isn't it? There's Kingsley. Looking at people down in the pool. A lot busier than our earlier video, huh? Water looks great. Beautiful Labor Day weekend.
Can we go there and there at the pool afterwards?
Sure. Beautiful day. Longboat Key, Florida.
I'm actually glad that we were on the wrong foot.
So here we are at sunset of night one. We got a little movie at the pool. We were just down there in the pool watching the movie, and we're ready to turn in for a night, but a successful day one at the Longboat Key Resort, Longboat Key, Florida.